So let's see. Okay, this is the screen that it was stuck on before. Supposedly it only takes 10 seconds. I had it stuck on there for hours. So I turned it off. Did the clean boot. I guess it's not working. Because it's supposed to do this for about 10 seconds. Okay, I'm back. I did some research and it told me to go to the control panel and click check for updates. Right there's control panel under system and security, Windows update, and then I hit check for updates. Now it says upgrade to Windows 10. So I'm going to try it this way. We will see what happens. Oh, hold on a second here. This looks good. Okay, it says great, we'll get the upgrade started. So I have to accept or decline. I'm going to hit accept. This is probably going to slow down our internet across the house, and I'm probably going to hear William get mad because it'll affect his Xbox, but guess what? That's the way it is. Here he comes. It's shutting down. Be quiet, dog. Willie, our dog barks. Configuring Windows for update for Windows, and it's doing updates. This is going to take a while. It says 0% complete, 4%. So I'll let it go through this thing, and I'll come back when it gets closer to 100% or at 100%. Okay, we're at 97% complete, so I'm thinking it's going to be 100%. Hopefully soon. That's why I turned on this video now. And maybe, 98%. 100%. So let's see what happens next. It's still configuring. All right. Oh, okay, it's shutting down the computer. I guess it's going to restart it. It's off. All right. It's rebooting. All right. Loading files. Oh, this must be the new Windows 10 because this is different looking than what I'm used to. Upgrading Windows. Okay. It has a giant circle. Yeah, this happened on William's computer upstairs. He's already upgraded to Windows, but we didn't film that part of for him doing it. But later he's probably going to talk about his opinion of it. Okay, so this is going to take a while. It says upgrading Windows, your PC... Sorry, this is so blurry. Your PC will restart several times. Sit back and relax. It's at 1% in the big circle. It says copying files, 4%. Oh, here we go. Copying files, 4% on the bottom. Installing features and drivers, configuring settings. So I'm just going to let this, I'm just going to relax and turn off the camera for now until it gets closer to the 100%. Okay, the computer was going through its circle. It wasn't anywhere near 100%, and then all of a sudden it went black and it went into power save and restarting, and now we have this. I don't think it's a bad thing, but let's see. Okay, now the screen just went completely black. So, I assume it's in the process of restarting. I'll come back when, I'll give it a minute. I'll come back. Okay, now it's back at the circle again. It says upgrading Windows. Your PC will restart several times. Sit back and relax. And it's back around the number I think it was before. So it did something. Now it's back. It says 32%. At the bottom it says copying files, installing features and drivers, 6%. Then this next step is configuring settings. So we'll leave it at the 32%. And once again, I'll come back when that number gets closer to 100 or if there's any other changes. It's doing one of those restarts again, so let me see what happens here. Updating your system. Okay, it went 25% to 100%, so let's see. Black screen again. Oh, here we go. Okay, now we're at 75%. And I think that's, yeah, I think it was there, then it stopped, and now it's back at it. Copying files, installing features and drivers. It's still, it says configuring settings 196. So I don't know if that means it did 196 settings. But it's at 75%. And instead of sitting here, oh, configuring settings 1% down here at the bottom. Right there. Okay, so instead of sitting here making everybody wait for it to go, for the numbers to move, I will return. Okay, it is at 97%. The bottom configuring settings is at 90%. So I think the screen's about to do something different in a minute. 99%. Configuring settings, 96%. So, okay, right here, it just went to the blue screen. Hi there, welcome back. It looks like a little person right there. And then there's a next button, so I'm going to hit that. Alright, it's talking about settings. And usually I always do the settings that they recommend. So I'm going to hit use express settings. That's what they recommended. Alright. Because I don't know what I'm doing otherwise. Alright. New apps for new Windows. It just talks about different things. Next. Black screen. And I guess it's going to restart. Oh, here we go. Okay. That's the setup screen. So I guess I'll go into this and see how it goes. Okay. It goes into this with the window to log in. Alright, it's doing this is what you normally do when a computer's new, I think, with Windows 8 or Windows 7. It says, hi, we're setting things up for you. This won't take long. Setting up your apps. So it's kind of going through the beginning of like when you first, I guess, get a new computer. I'll let it do its thing. And even though it says it's not going to take long, it's taking long enough. So I'm going to pause it for now. So here we have it. There's a new startup screen for Windows 10. I'm going to play around with it for a bit. Oh, okay. See how, okay. So there's how it looks. Oh, I have WeatherBug running. Let me turn that off. I'm going to hit the start. Now, if you had Windows 8, you didn't have like the traditional start menu that other Windows systems had. But this has a start menu, but yet it has the big windows, the big square windows like Windows 8 had. So it looks like it's a combination of kind of like the traditional Windows and the Windows 8. So that looks good so far. So I'll probably play with it some more and get back to you. And William's going to share some things that happened on his. William's going to share some things that he experienced on his computer. Okay, thank you.